technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up, and thereafter for the first half of the trading session, it saw some sideways consolidation. It was in the second half of the trading session that the action in the Nifty picked up, and the Nifty ended the day on a positive note, up 111 points for the day. The market pair was also positive with 957 advances to 505 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, Infosys, ITC, Reliance, ICICI Bank, L&T were some of the major pullers, while Asian Paints, Tech Mahindra, Coal India, Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors and Tata Steel closed the day on a negative note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the 20-day simple moving average, which was acting as a crucial resistance until last trading session, has now been surpassed. In today's trading session, the Nifty opened above the 20-day moving average. Post that it retested the 20-day moving average, and thereafter it did not slip below that intraday. And from thereafter, it continued the positive momentum on the upside. So now the 20-day simple moving average, which was a crucial resistance, has been surpassed in today's trading session. So now we expect the positive momentum to continue on the upside. Our short-term target of 83.55 has been met in today's trading session, and we have further revised our short-term target to 8500 on the upside. 8500 on the upside is the 61.8% retracement of the fall, which Nifty has seen from the high of 88.50 up till the low of 7997. So that retracement area comes to around at 8500. So 8500 is a crucial level to watch out for, and we expect the positive momentum of Nifty to continue up till 8500 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of hourly chart of Nifty, we can observe that the Nifty has broken out of a potential bullish head and shoulders pattern. In today's trading session, it has closed above the neckline of that pattern, so that indicates that the breakout has happened. So we expect the positive momentum to continue. The hourly momentum indicator is also having a positive crossover. So at this point of time, the daily, the hourly, basically all the indicators are pointing towards a positive momentum to continue on the upside. So we maintain a positive stance on Nifty. 82.71 and 82.12 are crucial supports. 84.09, which is the 40-day moving average, and above that 84.83, which is the daily upper Bollinger Band, are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also has been in fact positive, and in today's trading session it has managed to close above the 40-day moving average, which is an extremely bullish sign for Bank Nifty. It is trading above the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. The momentum indicator is on the positive side. No real signs of weakness or trend reversal in Bank Nifty. So we expect the positive momentum in Bank Nifty to continue as well. 18,200 and 18,100 are crucial supports. 18,670 and 18,820 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty are remaining positive. We have extended our short-term target on Nifty up till 8500 on the upside. We expect the positive momentum to continue in the coming trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.